Brothers and sisters, we grow up believing in an illusion that our closest friends, our beloved family, they will stay forever. That even in the darkest times, in silence and loneliness, they are the ones who will stand by us. And for a time, many do. But then, life happens. Paths diverge, betrayal stings, or simply, they become too busy. And in that profound quiet, that deep solitude, you realize the painful truth. Even those we hold dearest can leave. And in that precise moment of abandonment, Shaitan arrives. He sits beside you, whispering hopelessness, urging you to despair, to ruin yourself. He is there to distract, to guide you to what is harmful. But there is another truth, a far more powerful one. Even when every human door closes, even when every voice fades, there is one who stays. Allah, He is with you, always, watching, listening. He is closer to you than your own jugular vein. Surah Qaf 50:16. Faster than your heartbeat, quicker than your thoughts, even before they fully form in your mind. He loves you with a mercy that dwarfs the love of 1,000 mothers. He is there, waiting for your call, anytime you choose to reach out to Him. But do we reach out? No. In our worry, in our anxiety, in our depression, we instinctively turn to our own brains, our own hands, desperately trying to fix what is broken. We forget that it is He who is Al-Wahhab, the bestower, Al-Shafi, the curer, Al-Latif, the subtle one, the only one who can truly cure and fix all of it. The Quran and the Prophetic Sirah are filled with countless stories of those who were abandoned, left alone, and then turned to Allah, and He never failed them. Prophet Yunus, alayhi salam, abandoned in the darkest depths, inside the belly of a whale, in the pitch black of the ocean, in the blackness of the night, utterly alone. What did he do? He cried out, "There is no deity except you, exalted are you. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers." Surah Al-Anbiya 21:87. And Allah responded, so we responded to Him and saved him from the distress, and thus we saved the believers. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:88. From the belly of despair to the shores of salvation. Prophet Ayyub, alayhi salam, he lost everything, his family, his wealth, his health, abandoned by all but a devoted wife, his body ravaged by illness. In his darkest moment, he did not curse. He turned to his Lord with pure patience. He supplicated, "Indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." Surah Al-Anbiya 21:83. And Allah responded, so we responded to him and removed what afflicted him of adversity, and we gave him back his family and a like thereof with them as mercy from us and a reminder for the worshippers. Surah Al-Anbiya 21:84. He restored him to even greater blessings. Prophet Muhammad during the Hijrah, hunted by his enemies, hiding in a cave with only Abu Bakr, Radi Allahu Ta'ala anhu, beside him. The disbelievers were at the mouth of the cave. Abu Bakr in fear whispered, "If they look down at their feet, they will see us." And what did the Prophet reply? "O Abu Bakr, what do you think of two with whom Allah is the third?" Sahih al-Bukhari and Muslim. He taught us that even when surrounded by danger and human help seems non-existent, Allah is the ever-present companion. So how do we tap into this infinite presence? How do we ensure that when friends leave, Allah not only stays, but transforms us into something unimaginable? It comes through Tawakkul, trust in Allah. Release your grip on human expectations. Understand that when Allah removes people or things from your life, He is making room for something better. He is removing your crutches so you can stand taller on His strength. It comes through Sabr, patience and steadfastness. Endure the silence, endure the pain, knowing that every moment of patient endurance is polishing your soul. Allah says, "Indeed, Allah is with the patient." Surah Al-Baqarah 2:153. It comes through dua, supplication. Speak to Him, cry to Him. He is closer than you imagine. The Prophet said, "Verily, your Lord is modest and generous. He is too shy to return the hands of His servant empty when He raises them to Him." Tirmidhi, Hasan Sahih. It comes through dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Fill the emptiness of loneliness with His name. Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah, hearts are assured. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:28. When you turn to Allah in your abandonment, you are not just surviving, you are being rebuilt. He will make you independent of others. He will grant you a strength and a peace that no human connection could ever provide. He will elevate you, purify you, and make you into a version of yourself that you could never have imagined, but which He always saw. Friends may leave, family may scatter, but Allah never leaves. Turn to Him now, He is waiting.